What's going on, folks? Today is Wednesday, the 15th of January, 2025, and it is just after 10 in the morning. And so far, the MES/ES is up about 100 points, 1.7%. Apparently, they liked some sort of CPI, PPI, LMNOP, I don't know. Some kind of data came out. Some kind of data came out, and the market loves it. Um, but who knows? I mean, we were pretty oversold here. It's now back to this 20 moving average, simple moving average. Again, I'm not a huge believer in technical analysis, but this is what people look at. So I guess we're kind of due for an update. This is a really big update, but we are still in a downtrend. So who knows what will happen going forward. That being said, this is why everybody is a genius in bull markets. You know, everything is up except for this Sweet Bobby hedge thing, which I've realized with the Sweet Bobby hedge, I need to sell probably like one individual naked put to generate some income, or else I don't know if I can get back the income quick enough on the Sweet Bobby hedge alone. I guess you probably do technically, but when I had to open 4 of them to get it going, it just looks like I'm losing money. So anyways, I think I have room to open a single naked put on that. I'm not doing that today because the market's up huge, but I am going to take off some other trades here because this one is at 44% after just 7 days. And then on SPX, this one's still down 40 bucks, but it's gained to like 70, 75 on the day, and it's at 23 DTE. So I'm just going to take this big up day and cash out. It'll still be a loser, but it's a lot less than it was yesterday. And then this one has only been open 5 days and it's up almost 50%. I have an order in here for 50%. Yeah, I'm going to take my profits on that too. 50% in 5 days. That's easy money. All right, I got the privacy mode turned on this time, so I don't have to do this video twice like I did last time. This trade here, like I said, it's a loser at 40 bucks, but I'm taking it off because there's only 2 days left, and who knows if this market goes up again. At this rate, we're in a downtrend, and it could all sell off again tomorrow on some other kind of news, so who knows. That said, I am taking this bad boy off and just going to close it out. All right, that filled at 155. And now for this one, I already got an order here at 50%, and it's super close. I guess I'll just close it out now because who knows if this reverses. There we go. That filled at 60 cents. And now, last but not least, this one's claims 44%. I think there was some slippage there, so we'll see. I mean, it's only 11 bucks, but again, this account's really small, and it's going to be real small winners. All right, that filled at 14 cents, only one tick off the mid price. All right, I got the spreadsheets filled out here, and this is the XLU trade, and I did the short put spread. It's open 7 days. Long story short, I walk away after fees with $8.48 profit, which was 44% of the max. And again, that was only 7 days, so that's quick winner. And yeah, this account's going to be tough to find trades because it's so small. But up here, I made 10 bucks on the day, and I'm up 26 bucks year to date because I actually traded a short put on Macy's right after the new year. Yeah, and that was a 4-day winner at 30%, so I took it off, and yeah, that got me 13 bucks right there. So I don't know, I guess I'm gonna have to find these low dollar stocks. I think I took Macy's off because even at $15, it seemed too high, too big. But I don't know. We'll see. I might have to put some money into that account. So we will see. That was previously the contribution account, which in theory I was going to put money in there anyways, but I never did. All right, so define risk, and it's trade 2 and 3 here. And long story short, why does it say 9 days? Is that really all it was on for? I guess maybe it was. Anyways, the one trade after fees, I lost $50.10, but the other one, I gained $39.90. And that essentially washes out for a loss of $10. Oops, do all these three together, and I'm up $59.72 on the year. And come up here. Apparently I've added in more fees than Tasty Trade has somehow. Let's see, if I do these, is that going to be accurate? $75 profit. And there you go, P&L year to date, 75 bucks. All right, so that makes sense. So yeah, apparently I've added in some extra fees somewhere. I don't know how that's possible, but could have fat fingered something, who knows. But that's about it for the current positions. I need to open up a short put here in MES, but I'm not going to do that right now because it's a huge up day. The market is still up almost 100 points. It sold off ever so slightly. Got up like almost 105, I think. And then, you know, this defined risk account, I'm basically playing long, or if we get really overbought, I'll sell a short call spread in there. Again, on a day like today, I am not going long on the market. So at this point, it's kind of a sit and wait and wait and see, sit and wait and see. I'll be on the lookout for some sort of trade that I can open in this Tasty Way account. A lot of people gave me feedback on that, which I appreciate, and I realize the account's super small, so I can only do one position at a time. People are saying I was too over leveraged. Obviously, one position is going to over leverage the account. So yeah, I don't know if I can get a neutral trade in there because it's so small. In theory, with just one trade on, it should be neutral and not a long or short bias. So we'll see. I'll keep an eye out for something. I'll try to find something really small. But at this point, I'm kind of just picking things that I have a bias towards, which right now seems like going long on things versus trying to short stuff. So selling naked calls never seems to be a good idea, especially on the low dollar ones that can just double in price in a day for no reason. All right, I think that more than covers everything. I'll just be keeping an eye out here for new trades, and I will keep you posted. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you later.